Hello, hello. Oh my goodness. Are you as tired of these masks as I am? I'm about to go to the grocery store and I know how important it is to wear these, but I really can't wait to get back to being able to see people's faces and see them smile and just connect with people. We need that so badly right now. I think everybody's feeling a lot of overwhelm and a lot of stress. There's fear, there's financial insecurity with the economy and unemployment, there's the pandemic, so people are worried about their health, there's environmental concerns, there's social injustice, so much happening in our world right now, and it can just be really overwhelming and stress out our body, stress out our mind. Whew. So we all need to relax, we all need to de-stress, and I brought along a friend to help remind me of the importance of play and silly and fun. This is Sheila McSparklepants. And I use her to inspire me to be silly and to come up with fun things to do to get me through these times. So we all need whatever props, whatever connections, resources, and that's what I'm here for right now, because I'm a helper, and when things go crazy I want to try and fix it, and I can't fix everything that's happening in the world right now, but I have put together a free virtual care package that I'm going to be sending out via email to any subscriber on a monthly basis, and it will include an assortment of really powerful self-care tips and fun, happy songs that maybe sometimes we forget what songs make us happy, and I will probably send stuff to you that you haven't thought of in a while, or maybe it's your favorite song, I don't know, and I'd love to get feedback from you and ideas from you. And it will also include recipes. This first month there's a recipe for brownie bites that it's made from dates instead of sugar, so it's a little healthier for you, and I know that brownie batter is something that just makes me feel super loved when things are going really crazy. So if you're a brownie lover, that might be fun for you, but I'll include, I think next month it'll be chicken Alfredo in the Instant Pot, because that is super easy and yummy. So I'm going to include some recipes, some songs, some jokes, and also some blogs. So taking a deeper dive into topics like resilience and self-love and forgiveness and acceptance and neuroplasticity. How do we keep our brain fluid and flexible so that we can understand things better and handle stress better? So I want to help you as much as I can. I just want to share with you the things that I've learned over the years. I've been studying the mind-body connection for several years now, and yeah, I've got some good stuff to share. So I hope you will join me, and just click on the link below so that you can subscribe via MailChimp for the virtual care package. And if you know people that you think this would be helpful for, please share. And I look forward to connecting with you, and I hope that you just have a beautiful, peaceful day. That is my mission. My goal is to help people find some peace and joy and silliness. And so sign up for the email, and yeah, let's connect. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.